Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
When you insert a new chart into a worksheet, the entire chart area will appear selected. You will also see the Chart Tools contextual tabs appear in the ribbon. First, you should become familiar with selecting chart elements. Note that a chart is not simply a single object, but rather is a complex object that is comprised of many other smaller selectable objects. You should be aware of exactly what element in the chart is selected before you begin any procedure, such as formatting or moving the chart itself or the objects within the chart. One way to select objects is by using your mouse. You can click on the individual elements within the chart in order to select them. Note that in order to select the entire chart, you should click into the chart area. That is the blank area that surrounds most of the actual elements within the chart. When the chart area is selected, you can then perform functions that affect the entire chart, such as moving the chart or formatting the background of the chart. Inside of the chart area is the plot area. This is the area inside of the chart where the actual graphic representation of your data is located. Inside of the plot area, you can click on the graphic to select a series from your chart. You can then click on an individual point in a series to select an individual point. Note that other chart elements such as chart titles, data labels, and the legend are also all independently selectable. So in summary, you should be aware of exactly what element within the chart is selected before you perform an operation or function. Otherwise, you could inadvertently make mistakes, such as moving elements within the chart when you meant to move the entire chart, or formatting the entire chart background when you meant to format only a single data series. Another way to select a chart, or many elements of the chart, is by using the Chart Elements drop-down that appears in the Current Selection group on the Layout tab in the Chart Tools contextual tab within the ribbon. You can use this drop-down to select the major elements within your chart. However, not all chart elements are shown in this drop-down list. You can also click on chart elements with your mouse and then inspect the value shown in the Current Selection drop-down to see exactly what you have selected. Now this makes a great double check to ensure that you have the correct chart element selected before you begin a procedure.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.